Hey guys, welcome to the Barrage. I'm Christina Welch. Today I'm going to be doing a pour with a gadget that I received from Brian Ward. He has a channel on YouTube called Spontaneous Creations by Brian. Also in this collab is Mona McCauley from Art Flow by Mo and Kristen Lustig from Kristen's Originals by Kristen Lustig. So let me get you down and I will show you this contraption. Okay, so here it is. This is a quad cup, a quad gadget. You can do 4 pours with this little job here. So this is our canvas of 14 by 14 is what we'll be using. So if I pour through the center, that will give me 14 petals. And it's kind of cool how it comes out through here as well. If I flip it and pour through the center, I will get 12 petals. So, or these little side gadgets here, if I pour through here, I will get 6. If I flip it and pour through here, I would get 8. So everybody's doing one different. I've got the 12, so I will be pouring through here. And color choices. I got to pick the colors because I'm the newbie on the block. So I did pick the Barrage Posse Purple Shimmer. They will be either using this or a shade of this. This is all of the paints in my paint line. I also gave them the choice of using the Military Green, which is an olive green, or they could use Maria's Lake Forest Metallic, which is a metallic olive green. It's just a little bit lighter and so much shinier. We also will be using the Gold Rush or any shade of gold that they have. And then a lavender. Since I don't have a lavender in my line anymore, I decided I'm going to make one. I'll be using the Morning Pansy mixed with just a touch of the bubble gum and some white, and that will give me my lavender. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cups ready, and we'll be back to pour. Okay, let's get this party started. So I'm using the beautiful military green shimmer. I'm also using our Gold Rush. This is the Barrage Posse Purple Shimmer. And I took the Morning Pansy and the bubblegum, mixed it with some white, got myself a beautiful lavender color. I may be putting a touch of white in between here and there as well. But I am going to be using cups because I don't want to squirt down with the bottle. And we'll see what kind of designs we will get. I am on my spinner because I'll probably be spinning it out to open it up. But let's get this party started. Okay, I'm done. So I wanted to pull this in, as you can see in the previous frame. I wanted to pull this in, but the more I look at it, I don't want to touch it. I'm actually loving the colors in this. I did darken up that purple a little bit so that it would stand out a little bit more. And there was no silicone in here, but I did get some beautiful cells. So I'm going to leave this for a couple days to dry, and you'll get to see it dry in just a few seconds. Be right back. So here it is, all dry. Came out beautiful. Love the gold in there, how it shines, and of course you can't see it on camera. But these also, I have some shimmer to them. We'll see that more after it's cured and I actually get some varnish on it. But this was a blast, guys. So make sure you check out Brian's channel, Spontaneous Creations by Brian, and Mona's channel, and Kristen's channel. And I will put all those links right below the video in the description box. So make sure you check them out. They're using, you know, maybe different shades, but same concept, but a different part of that gadget. If you're interested in getting that gadget, I'll also put the link below so that you can go right to Etsy and purchase that. So thank you, Brian, for sending the gadget and including me in your collab. And I hope to be doing a lot more with you guys. Thanks, everyone. See you on the next one. Bye now.